Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the Dragon Boat Festival. Like if you are excited for the upcoming Dragon Boat Festival and Midsummer event in Heartopia on June 19, here's a quick preparations guide so you can get ready before the event starts. And so during this event, we will be getting 6 brand new recipes to cook. And while some ingredients appear to be exclusive event materials, there are already a few ingredients that you can start collecting right now. The ingredients that you can prepare in advance are meat, eggs, and red beans, like this. And all of this can be purchased from Chef Massimo, so it's a good idea to stock up early and save yourself some time once the event goes live. And as for the other ingredients needed for the new recipe, they are likely special event materials that will only become available during the Dragon Boat Festival. So don't worry if you can't find them yet. So if you want to be ready to cook all these 6 new dishes as soon as possible, just start gathering meat, eggs, and red beans today. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.